Alright, in this video we're going to show you how to set up the two back buttons on the Machenike-G3V2 controller. First, let's clear any existing settings. I had something recorded before, so I'll just clear it now. Now, we'll record new functions. For the back buttons, on the back, you'll see two buttons. M1. This is M2. We'll use M1 as our example. Hold down FN plus M1 together. Now, you can see the left joystick's light ring glowing with a soft blue breathing effect. That means M1 is now in recording mode. Okay, let's assign the A key to it. Press A, then save by pressing M1 once. How to save? Press M1. Just click it once. The light ring will flash 3 times. That means the setting saved successfully. Let's try again. Since we didn't see it on the back, press A, then press M1. See the light ring flashing 3 times? That means it's saved. Now when I press M1, it will send the A key input. C. If you want to clear the key assignment, repeat the process. Hold FN plus M1 to enter recording mode, but this time you don't press any key. Just press M1 again to save. It means you saves a blank input, effectively clearing the previous assignment. Now if you press M1 again, it won't do anything. Right. So if your back button feels broken sometimes, it's probably just cleared. Never set. And M2 works exactly the same way. Besides assigning a single key, you can also assign multiple keys. A macro. This is great for shooters, or especially fighting games, where you need to do combos. Let's try recording multiple keys. Hold FN plus M1 to enter recording mode, then press the keys you want, like A, B, X, Y, R, B, L, B. Press M1 to save. And now, when you press M1, it will automatically send the whole combo. The timing between key presses depends on how fast you press them during recording. It's not fixed. It depends on the interval you set when recording. You can adjust timing more precisely in the key linker. Actually, key linker has even more settings for fine-tuning. What I just showed you is just a quick shortcut method. Let me clear it again, and then I'll show you how it works the same on the right side. For the right back button, hold FN plus M2. The right joystick light ring will flash. Press to save, it flashes. Okay, everything else works the same way.